I've been in this field for 27 years. And I started off in Islamabad with an architect, then I had got married, shifted to Karachi, started looking for jobs, and realized that with living with in-laws, I would not be able to manage a 9 to 5, 9 to 6, 9 to 7 job which an architectural firm entails. So I shifted into the interior design side of architecture because that was more manageable. And I have basically, my journey has been full-time working for someone, part-time working for someone, freelancing, then having my own firm, which is now 13 years. It's been 13 years since I've had my own firm. So basically, the message that I would like to give all of you from my own journey is that nothing is static. There will not be periods of time in which you can just focus on your job and your career and all that. We don't have the privilege of doing that because we do have जो work-life balance होता है वो हमारे लिए it's 4 times what I think the man would.
We have to be on toes every time.
We have to be, and that's a fact. So the sooner we realize that and the sooner we stop fighting against it, I think it becomes easier on oneself. Because mid-journey, when my kids were, I have 2 sons, mashallah, when my kids were around, I think 8, 9 ye wali age thi, I realized I'm not a superwoman. I cannot just do everything that is thrown on me कि बच्चों को भी पालना है, काम भी करना है, खाने भी पकाना है. So I have to prioritize what I feel is, what is worth it, what is worth my time and effort. And उसमें मेरे लिए, for example, cooking came at the bottom. So I said, I would rather spend all that time that I'm right now.
It's on my list.
Good.
Same here.
So you have to learn to prioritize what really matters. My career was a passion. It has always been my passion. So मैंने अपने भाई को कहा, मैंने कहा just ask, my husband, मैंने कहा just ask him one thing. I will work. If he has anything against it, or if he feels, this is something that, allow nahi karega, so I said, then, nothing else matters to me because I need to have that freedom. And because unrealistically, we are looking for permission to do that. Unfortunately, that's what our society is asking from us, that you have to ask permission to work. So that was one thing, जो मेरी पूरी जो लोगों की list होगी, मेरा एक ही point था. I am going to work. However I feel, I need to do it. And now, after 28 years, any advice that I've given my nieces, my cousins, or whoever the younger generation, is that आपने अपनी जो आपकी requirement होती है, and all of us know what do we strongly believe in, उसको कभी नहीं आपने compromise करना. And I would say not for your husband, not for your children, not for anyone. Because when you lose out on your own self, you cannot be a good mother or a wife or a daughter-in-law or whatever. So, मेरी अपनी journey का ये है कि I learned it not quick enough. So I've had, I've gone through that struggling period.
I learned it through the way, through the journey.
On the job training हुई है. But now I can, very firmly say the day I think when we switch, click on हो गया, then I said no, enough. This is not the person I want to be. Struggling all the time with my kids, not being able to give them enough time because, I felt I had to be the perfect wife and the perfect bahu and the perfect mother. We are not perfect. We are going to have our ups and downs. But during all that journey, you do not forget what you want. So बाकी when वो चीज़ हो जाए तो फिर आप खुद से you start learning and खुद से you start understanding what you need for yourself. दूसरा point, as far as mentors go, I have never ever had a woman mentor. I'll be very clear about that. I have never had a women mentor. Men have supported. Men have been there for me. So बजाय इसके कि हम आदमियों को बिल्कुल वो कर दें, they have been there.
Yes.
So obviously अगर 100 हैं तो उनमें से शायद 4-5 ही हो ऐसे, but it's how you understand कि किसको pick and choose करना है, who are the persons who are really looking at your benefits and how you want to grow, who are for you. तो ये तो अपने ऊपर है ना कि आप you have to अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको कैसे लोगों के साथ एसोसिएट करना है और किसको अपने करीब लेकर आना है. So it doesn't necessarily again have to be. हालांकि I was lucky enough. My father सबसे पहले अलहम्दुलिल्लाह has always been at my side. तो I've been lucky enough. But even if you don't, अगर आपकी फैमिली में नहीं है तो बाहर से भी आपको. My second boss जो कि मीडिया इंडस्ट्री से थे. I worked for the Jung Group for a while. वो मीडिया इंडस्ट्री से थे and he supported me like anything. After I started off my own company, तो initially तो very क्या कहना चाहिए forcefully I looked for girls for my office because I wanted to give them an opportunity and a space where they would feel comfortable and hopefully feel mentored well. Obviously not everyone is आपकी हर किसी के साथ तो नहीं वो click करता है कि you can be a mentor for everyone. But that is what I strive for. और अभी भी हमारा है कि स्मॉल ऑफिस बट हमारा 75-25 का परसेंटेज होती है कि लड़कियां are always more. I find them more responsible. ओनरशिप ज़्यादा लेते हैं अपने काम की जो भी होगी उसके अंदर काम कर रही होती है. And I'm alhamdulillah always felt कि women do have that extra edge and not just in our field. I think it's overall because जब लड़कियां जब किसी चीज़ के पीछे पड़ जाती हैं ना तो छोड़ती नहीं है. So I think that's always worked better. We should just also stop always thinking that we're a woman. हम औरत हैं. Let's just stop thinking that we're human beings. अब अगर if our society is obsessed with thinking of us and looking at each and every decision कि औरत है जो ले रही है तो that's their problem. So I think आप खुद जब when you stop focusing too much on this and always thinking कि हर चीज़ क्या मैं बाहर जा सकती हूँ because मैं औरत हूँ या क्या मैं can I say this to this guy because मैं औरत हूँ उसको बुरा ना लग जाए भाई उसको बुरा लग रहा है लगे. You have to take responsibility for whatever your responsibilities are. ठीक है अगर आप as an architect if you've gone to a site और आपने जाके वहाँ पे whatever instruction that you have to give the labor or the contractor or the supervisor whoever you do it because you're an architect and stop thinking I'm a woman architect so I need to do it this way. I think जब वो चीज़ कर ले तो then it's actually not too difficult. ये हमारे बहुत सारे issues जो हैं ये हमारे अंदर के हैं because we have been brought up like that and because हमें constantly हमारी जो हर जगह से हमें एक constantly reminder आता है कि औरत हो लड़की हो. So once you stop focusing on that and think of yourself as a human being as a person तो काफी मसले वैसे ही हल हो जाए.